Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 8 of 10, Invoicing. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. In Community, this app is Invoicing. Enterprise adds full accounting. The idea is the same. A customer invoice is what they owe. A vendor bill is what you owe. Create the invoice from the sales order or from delivered quantities so the lines already exist. Draft is editable. Posted is in the books. Then register the payment. The partner balance moves. Taxes come from the product and the fiscal position, not from a calculator on the side. Customers, vendors, reporting, configuration. The invoice list shows paid and not paid. Follow-up activities live on the document. Bank reconciliation and payment providers can wait until posting a simple invoice is boring. If you skip inventory validation and still invoice, you bill air. Invoicing, contacts and sales, money on the same partners and orders. Invoices and payment status. Posted is the ledger. Paid is cash. Takeaways. Do not retype invoice lines. Post, then pay. Bills follow receipts. Quote to cash is the spine. Watch Episode 9 next. Projects and employees. For teams that deliver work, not only boxes. Tasks, timesheets, and the people behind the logins. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.